So we're approaching a roundabout to turn right. Now the traffic coming towards us has got a single lane coming off the roundabout, so that's quite important. So we're going right, taking the third exit. Now I'm showing this quick video because some drivers will try and do their own little rules on roundabouts. So I'll stop and get closer and pay attention to the car directly opposite, the white van. He's in the right lane only, but he's going to try and go ahead, and the car next to him is just going to use him as a blocker at the same time. So he tries to pull out, the cars are slowing down for him. It should be giving way to them cars. And the silver car is about to enter is forced to stop because of him. And rather than go round it, thinking, I'm in the wrong lane, he's trying to force himself off, everyone's slowing down for him. The best thing that white van could have done was going to go round the roundabout, could do a complete loop and set the 6th exit to go where he wants to go. It's safe then, isn't it? Safe driving the roads, and watch out for these silly people doing things wrong.